HOBOT-S7 Pro, tested. Handling gaps and frameless windows. HOBOT Edge-Leakage-Bumper Sensors not only detects the edge of frameless windows, but also identifies even the smallest air leaks between cabinet door panels, ensuring precise edge detection for safer and more reliable cleaning. Equipped with embedded edge leakage bumper sensors, HOBOT senses minor pressure drops at frameless window edges and promptly reverses to continue its cleaning path. When cleaning on frameless windows, flawless air leakage detection is essential to ensure safe operation. You can trust HOBOT, whether it's cleaning cabinet doors, shower glass, or frameless balcony panels. Equipped with intelligent route planning, HOBOT-S7 Pro's adaptive navigation system allows it to automatically detect window edges, obstacles, and frameless surfaces, optimizing cleaning efficiency and ensuring complete coverage.